I've been hitting a lot of early Black Friday deals to get some new stuff for our new home. I'm putting all of our current furniture, all of our current stuff for the most part in our New York City apartment. It's the easiest way, and most of that stuff is perfectly good. I will say though, I have been avoiding buying some big adult purchases like a blender and a nice vacuum because I knew in my head I was going to come into a new space relatively soon. And I was like, once that happens, I will invest. So I have been hunting for these Black Friday deals to make sure that I'm getting the best price on all these items. And I'll show you some of the stuff I bought in case you care or in case you need some inspiration. All my beds have a foam mattress topper on. We call our bed soft bed because it's so soft. And I don't care if that's bad for you to sleep on. It's so comfortable. So I got some mattress pads, putting our bed with our current mattress and everything right into our apartment in New York City. We need a new mattress pad. I thought this was funny. Paris Hilton measuring cups and spoon sets were pretty affordable and on sale, and they're pink. I currently eyeball measure everything and I have like one cup. So we needed a nice set. I got a rice cooker. I looked at the reviews of this one. They seemed pretty good. It was on sale. At least yesterday, all this stuff was on sale. For my gluten allergy, I cook a lot of rice and I always make instant rice, and I just wanted an upgrade, so I got a rice cooker. Dyson vacuum was not on sale, but the Shark was. Again, this vacuum has great reviews. Our current vacuum sucks so bad. I decided to go with the Ninja blender. This one was also on sale. I just got this little set for our guest bathroom and our bathroom. I think it just looks nice and cohesive. I have tons of really gorgeous wine glasses, some of which I'm bringing with me and some of which will stay in New York. But I think there's nothing more chic than this little like square wine glass. So I got a couple sets of these. We are loyalists to Brooklyn bedding. We love it. So I got cream for the guest bedroom and white for our bedroom. I got a couple of these throw blankets to put on couches and then also to put in the guest bedroom. I got them in like cream and brown and they're really cute. I just feel like this is such a clean look. So I got these bowls and plates. Got two of these shower organizer sets, one for the guest bathroom, one for our bathroom. And if you saw what the underneath of my sink looked like right now, you would be appalled. So I got these for all of the sink underneaths to organize products. Vibe that I'm going for design-wise is like English countryside, cozy, artist's retreat vibe. My mom made a really good point that the best way to do this for cheap is through coffee table books and fresh flowers and just texture and color. For all these little bits and bots that I'm currently ordering, I'm trying to keep it super neutral so that I can accent and make things like super cozy. And we do have two fireplaces, so I'm very excited about that. Look at this. It's just a dream. Gorgeous. Definitely still need to order a coffee maker of some kind. I'm so lucky that my future mother-in-law is accepting all of these packages for us and is going to bring them over to the new place when we get the keys so I can get everything done before I'm even there. She's a dream. Yeah, I'm thinking about a coffee maker and espresso machine specifically. That's another upgrade that I've been meaning to make in my life. I'm going to hold off on things like furniture until we have the keys. But I want to do lots of bookcases and books everywhere. You guys know I'm building my own personal library. I almost have 1,000 books of my own that I've read. So trying to do that. And definitely need to invest in a bunch of coffee table books, and then also need to remind myself to always have fresh flowers around. I'm trying to get ahead of this because I'm already traveling in January, February, and March. And it's not even 2025 yet. So